Let's start learning English through story. Lily was just a shy and lonely girl who had just moved to a new town with her family. She missed her old friends and felt like an outsider in her new school. Her parents, trying to cheer her up, surprised her with a playful puppy named Max. At first, Lily was hesitant to care for a pet, but as she spent more time with Max, she realized that he was more than just a responsibility. He was a loyal companion. Max followed Lily everywhere, listened to her secrets, and showered her with unconditional love. He was always there to brighten her day, whether she was feeling sad, anxious, or excited. As they explored their new neighborhood together, they met new friends, including a kind girl named Emma. Emma was drawn to Lily's kindness and Max's adorable antics, and the three became inseparable. As Lily faced challenges at school, Max sensed her distress and snuggled up beside her. Emma offered words of encouragement, and together, they helped Lily build confidence and overcome her struggles. Whether it was a difficult math problem, a disagreement with a classmate, or a bad day, Max and Emma were always there to lend a listened ear and a comforting presence. One day, a severe storm hit their town, causing widespread damage. Lily's family was evacuated, but Max went missing in the chaos. Lily was devastated, feeling lost and alone without her beloved pup. But Emma was refused to give up. Together, they searched the neighborhood, calling out Max's name until they finally found him, shivering but safe, in an abandoned shed. As they reunited with Max, Lily realized that their friendship was more than just a bond between a girl and her dog. It was a testament to the power of loyalty, empathy, and support. Max had shown her that unconditional love and acceptance were possible, and Emma had demonstrated the value of standing by each other through thick and thin. From that day on, Lily, Max, and Emma were inseparable. They went in adventures, explored new places, and faced challenges together, knowing that their friendship could overcome anything. Lily learned that true friends accept us for who we are, support us through difficult times, and celebrate our successes, and Max remained her loyal companion, a constant reminder of the transformative power of friendship. Moral of the story: friendship can cross species and bring joy and companionship to our lives. Loyal friends stand by each other through thick and thin. Empathy and support can help us overcome even the toughest challenges. Together, we can weather any storm and celebrate the beauty of friendship. Thanks for watching. Do like, comment, share, and subscribe.